Hey guys, welcome back to G's Autos. My name is Greg, and for those of you who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. For those of you who are probably seeing this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Have a look through the previous videos. If you see anything there you like, hit the like button or share with some of your friends. Today's video is about getting back onto Nigel, my white AE82 Corolla. I've been itching to get onto the back end there and clean out the underbody. It's filthy dirty, the fuel tank's been taken out and it's just absolutely putrid under there. So I got under there today, I cleaned it all out. Look, I think it's come up really good. So let's take a look. Now actually, before we get into the process of today, I am posting shortly some pictures of what it looked like beforehand, so you can get an idea of how much dirt and debris was already in there in the wheel arches and so forth. So let's take a look. Alright, I've finished cleaning up underneath and I'm really happy with the results. The process I went through was just, I ran a dry brush, a firm dry brush underneath everything just to dust it all off, and then I hit it with some degreaser and then blasted that off with the gurney, repeated that process, and then in certain areas I've just done a hand clean with a bit of Ajax and a clean rag just to get off any last remaining bits and pieces, just to make it look nice and neat. So we'll crawl underneath and take a look. Alright, I'm not too sure how good the footage is going to come out underneath here, but I've got a couple of small rust holes along here that you can see. I've just got to clean up that area so we can just do a quick and dirty patch up on those. Pardon me guys, I'm on the recovering end of a nasty flu this week. I've already cleaned up underneath the wheel wells. I just need to give them a hit of sound deadener just to neaten them up a bit. Okay, and as you know, the fuel tank is out, so I've got to clean up all these cobwebs and just give it a clean up underneath. So just a general clean up. You'll see cobwebs and stuff hanging down. There's also tons of old mud nests from hornets under here. There's more under there. Got to knock them out. Just general cobwebs and stuff like that. And pretty much the other side is the same. There's no real change there. Pretty much looking at the same deal, so I'm not really worried about where you're looking at now. That can stay. I'm not going to clean that up. So yeah guys, so that's where we're at, so we'll get stuck into this shortly. Cheers. Hopefully the footage comes out okay. Let me just crawl around underneath here and hopefully you do notice a definite before and after difference. I think it's come up pretty good. Nice and clean. All the crud is now gone. Go up here and have a look. Now I've just got to fix up a couple of spots here. I'm going to lay down a little bit of converter. Just in a, I don't know if you can see, we'll just go up here and you'll see a little bit of daylight. See that there? I'm just going to, the old seam sealer has probably come away after all these years. I'm just going to put a little bit of rust converter up in there first, and then I'll hit that with some Sikaflex just to seal that off from the elements, because obviously that goes straight back inside to the cabin, so we'll take care of that. But overall I am really happy with the way it's all cleaned up. Really happy. So I've even cleaned up back here a little bit as well. It's not too bad. So there you have it, guys. Once I get this once I get this rust converter put on in a couple of spots and in the other wheel arch, I will then hit it with some sound deadener and just seal it all up and get it looking nice and pretty. Alright guys, thank you. I thought I'd better give you a look at the driver's side guard. So this is after it's all been cleaned up. It's pretty clean. I'm just going to put some rust converter just along up there, some of these patches where it's had some wheel rub. So I'll take care of that nice and quick. And all this will be hit with sound deadener. And that's the view from this side. Nice and clean. Alrighty, let's get the rust converter out.
It is all about me. Thank you very much.